this is Kathy with Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I have to show you something. I just bought my first order of shampoo soap and shampoo conditioner from Lush. Lush Cosmetics or Lush store. It's an online store, but they also have local stores, but there's none local around me, so I bought it online. And they have a lot of eco-friendly, vegan, natural products. So when I got the package and I saw what I assumed was styrofoam little peanuts, I was really freaked out. I'm like, that's not cool. You're over here talking about your packaging and recycling and, you know, soap bars. So like you can do away from plastic and all this. And I get styrofoam. So I went to a zero waste group that I'm in. You know, we're all about eco-friendly living and zero waste and no plastic and all that. And everybody was telling me, no, they're actually biodegradable, made of cornstarch, I believe. They said that you could put them in compost and they just break down, or you can wet them. Some people make, like they use it for costumes. They make stuff with it. Like if you wet it, they stick together. See how it's like, it just molds, like it just sticks very easily together. And if you wet them, you can like put them together. So it's just, I'm fascinated. So I'm going to try this out. I'm going to put a couple in my sink because it's a biodegradable substance. And let's see what happens. This is so cool. Actually, I'm going to put this down because I don't want them to fall down. I want to videotape it. I'm going to run some water over them. Look, look, look. It's breaking apart. It's totally breaking apart. Look at that. Oh my God, that is so rad. Look. They're just like, look at that. That's so cool. Instead of styrofoam, which you cannot recycle, and they're extremely toxic if you burn it, these are made out of cornstarch. Look at this. Like they're all just gonna like, I'm squeezing them, and they get all like gunky and gooey, and they're just like melting away. Oh my God! Every company that ships products should do this. Look at that. Look at this. It's just turning into like globby goo, and it just melts away. This is so rad. How awesome is this? Yay for Lush. I'm going to order all my shampoo bar soaps. And then, I mean, I do try to buy, I like buying my soaps from our local soap maker. But, if there's anything that I need that they don't have, I'm totally going to Lush. Because this is, look at this. So cool. I'm going to use my little brush here to kind of break up the rest of the gunk that's there. But that's it. Like, that is so neat. Look at that. That is so stinking rad and awesome. Look at that. Yay for Lush. How cool is that? Now I just got to get like the tinier little pieces that's like stuck on this mesh netting. I could just do that with the brush, but I'm holding my phone, so it's kind of hard to do that. But you get the point. Wow. So cool. We need to like tell every company in the world that uses styrofoam packaging to like stop using styrofoam and do whatever Lush is doing, because this is pretty badass. All right, guys, talk to you later. Follow, subscribe, check my Facebook page, Instagram, and YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Bye.